What? Why would you ever want to microwave bread?
Alright. I'm gonna teach you guys how to microwave this bread. Put it in the microwave for about 20 seconds.
These niggas got a fancy ass microwave.
They're gonna let you know when the world gonna end.
Is this nigga slow?
I think that's Rick's cheddar.
Why is he staring at? What are you looking at?
Yo, we ain't gonna keep that one.
Ooh, I just had deja vu like a motherfucker. What is this Project Ass City Trends Lil' Kim outfit you got on?